Ekina ya tatu ni marahonokire gikuo cia rera nduka-ini ya Gateway guku mucii wa Nairobi, gukirikana atatu aya makoretwo makiagagia aguri nduka-ini no kwa ihinda iraya. Kuringana na murangiri wa nduka ino ya Gateway, augite ni makoretwo makihuthira kigina kinene gia kugacirithia ugiteri nduka-ini ino, akiuria maabitha borithi gutigirira ni magacirithia ugiteri mwena uyu.
We have some cases ambazo tumemanage ku arrest the victims. Tumewapeleka kwa polisi. Polisi wamefanya uchunguzi wao mpaka wamepeleka kotini. We have like 10 cases zenye zimekuwa hapa, but active cases are 3 ambazo siko mbele ya kotini, na 2 cases ambazo zilifika mbele ya kotini. The victim walikubali, the suspect walikubali, alafu victims wakalibwa na waka withdraw cases.
Oho ni gite kugathika gwa kamera cia CCTV ni guteithiririe hanene kuona ni marahota kuona uria aguri maratabania mihango ya nduka-ini ino, indi ekinae mategaga njira ya gukungia wara.
Mounted cameras around the Gateway Mall. Even when you are outside, we are able to monitor the movements around Gateway Mall.
Dealing with ordinary thugs. These people are well dressed. In fact, if you come in contact with them, you might not suspect they are thugs. These people have money because when you take them to court, they have lawyers. So it's a well-coordinated cartel that has even lawyers. Lawyers are involved, and they are the ones that are protecting these thugs, because when they are taken to court, immediately the case comes for mentioning, the lawyer rises up. And there is the one now who is ordering that case.
Aguri ni moritio kugia na wigiririki na indo ciao riria mathiete nduka-ini itiganite guku mucii wa Nairobi, makiurio kwagaga gutiga indo cia bata ngari-ini ciao.
If you carry a laptop or any variable, avoid leaving them in your car, because you attract the attention of these thugs. And as I've stated, even within 10 minutes, even as you turn to the other direction, that time is enough for them to break into your car and take any valuables that is in.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Ritora Kwane Wanjiru wa Forum.